Hi guys, it's Pam here and I have a recommendation for you today, and it's about suppressing your emotions. Have you ever been to the beach with a beach ball and you have tried to push your beach ball under the water, and no matter how much you try, the harder you try, the more resistance there is, and you keep pushing that beach ball under the water until at some point it just flies up and quite often hits you in the face? That is the same as our emotions. We go along in life and something happens and it affects us and we just roll with it. Or, we keep going and something else happens and we just let it go unnoticed. And over time, it's building up and it's building up until the point where it's going to pop out. And quite often when it pops out, we overreact. We behave in a way that we didn't want to. We quite often say things that we don't want to say. And it all ends up in this massive big row, and everyone's left thinking, what just happened? Quite often including ourselves. So the idea is to find a way to pop your beach ball, or you may want to just find a way to let it out. Now for me, it's tapping. I love tapping, and that's my way of doing it. But if it's not your way, find a way where you can release this build-up of unexpressed emotions so that you're able to act in the moment and express them. That hurt me. That's not okay, whatever it is for you. So, find a way to pop your beach ball.